Hello and welcome. So today I want to talk about the newest version of Cascadeur. I haven't done a video on Cascadeur in a while, and I thought it was about time we caught up on Cascadeur. This version here is 2026.1.3, I believe, which is the newest one. And in particular, what I want to talk about is root motion. So why don't we get right to it here. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring the Manny rig in, and I'm going to add another model, and this is a set of stairs that comes from the Sika Mansion assets. I'm going to use this for reference. Now what I'm going to do here first is just I'm going to take this collision off the stairs, and then I'm going to turn the stairs around to face Manny. Kind of straighten them out like that, and then we will go here and kind of put him towards the middle. Okay, so we got Manny here. Let's move the stairs so he has a step forward and then kind of steps up onto the stairs. We're kind of guessing here, so this I'm just trying to show you how root motion can take two reference frames and create the beginnings of an animation. It's just a quick way of doing it. So once you got this set up like this, you're down here. This is where your first frame is. Now we're just going to go the 100 frames that are here, and what I'm going to do is go all the way to the end, to the 100th frame here, and push F to add a frame. Now I'm going to go to Manny's center point, double click so that I select all of him. We'll pull back so we can see everything here. Get it into frame for you, and I'm going to just go up like this and bring Manny all the way here somewhere, and let's just turn around here and take a look. Of course he's got to come up, and once you see the feet start disappearing, you know that you're at the top there. And let's just take one quick look here. We can bring him back a little bit. Okay. So I have my first frame is down here, and my last frame is up here. So with root motion, what it does is it takes all these in between frames, which I'm selecting right now, holding down the left button, and it figures out what needs to be done to get this figure from this point to this point. Now you see this line here that just shows you the path it's going to go. Now with root motion, when you first use it, the first time you use it, whenever you open up Cascadeur, it takes roughly around a minute before it starts working when you push the button the first time, and it also depends on the complexity of the animation. So what we're going to do is we're going to run root motion right up here, this R that's up on the toolbar here, and I'm going to click it. Now I've already run root motion several times in preparation for this video, so as you can see, it actually did it pretty quick, and it does once you run it the first time. is what it does. So now we got an animation here, and all we had to do is put in 2 frames to 2 points to travel. And let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna take the rig off so we can see it cleanly, and I'm going to take the loop off, and here we go, and there you go. As simple as that. But I mean, obviously if we just go back slowly, you're going to look at things and see how he's sinking down in and all that. See, these are the things that you got to play around with to adjust. Now, what I will say is everything depends on how many frames you have and how much distance you have to travel. So right now what we're doing is we're asking Manny to travel up these flight of stairs here in roughly 3 seconds at 30 frames a second, because we only have 100 frames here. So automatically what it does is it calculates distance with time, and that's what dictates how fast he'll run up the stairs. So if we stretch this out so that it's 120 frames or something like that, then he's probably going to walk up the stairs. Right now he's running up the stairs. So what I suggest is, this is the basics of it. You can play around with it. I would, and I do. I'm still trying to get it down completely, but I think it's a great addition, because obviously all you got to do is reference 2 frames and the distance you want to travel, or the angle you want to travel in this case, and then it will figure out the rest for you. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, give me a like, or you can leave a comment, or if you want, you can subscribe, and I will see you again the next time.